windows open so we get used to the heat. It is, you can't see it.
86.
86 degrees.
And about 90% humidity.
90% humidity, so we're all roasted to death. By the time we get done hiking, we're going to be even more. I'm going to sign off. We're going to start the... Oh, no, we're not signing off.
It's up there.
Okay, let's go here.
So you can get some scenery. There you go.
That's much better.
We're heading over to what's called Capitol Hill.
The nicer part of the island.
That's where my art teacher lives.
That's where Autumn's art teacher lives. This is where she takes art class, up towards this way.
This is where the rich people live. We can't afford to live there.
Yeah, this is where the rich people live. It gives you the feel of the weather, and it really is beautiful. We'll send another video of the broken down buildings. You'll get a kick out of that. Oh, Saipan Zoo, right there. Saipan Zoo.
You're not missing much.
Not missing much there, no. All the animals are half dead, starving to death.
The one time I went, the lion was starving.
The lion was starving, but I don't think he's no longer with us.
We heard something. Remember the last time we went there?
Yeah?
We heard something.
There was another lion they had there. I think that was a tiger.
We're gonna go a special way.
Joe's taking us a special way.
Yeah, nobody's ever been this way. Talk to the lady too.
Pretty soon you'll be back, Delaney. We'll get to go hiking all over again. Daddy can carry you anywhere you want to go.
I think she's gonna be too big.
Yes, she will be. She'll have to walk.
Daddy doesn't carry me.
I can't carry you. You're too big too.
I know. I'm going to.
These abandoned buildings up here.
What's that?
I was going to get some of the abandoned buildings up here, but it's so shaky when you hold it.
Yeah, we're gonna go in between the abandoned buildings. We go right by them. Hopefully, we can show everybody a Saipan taxi.
Yes, that is priceless.
Go by a gas station, $5.05 a gallon.
Crazy stuff. People in Maine pay
I think my dad said it was like 370 or 365.
Sheesh.
You see a big hotel up here. There's nobody in it. Closed.
Yeah, all abandoned. They don't have the
about to go up a road nobody's been on but me. Went up a nice steep hill.
You got that right.
This road eventually comes out at Bird Island.
Hopefully you can feel some of the heat. It's actually a nice day today. 85 and 90% humidity is not too bad, I guess. Until you start hiking in it. When we get to the Bahamas, Chris and Delaney, we'll be able to go outside and go snorkeling and see all the fish.
Be cooler, that's for
A
sure.
lot cooler.
Except for the summertime.
Yeah, summertime will be warm.
But it's always summer here.
Yeah. Never get a break.
And the Bahamas is like a tiny bit different. Right?
Yeah, it's cooler in the winter. We're still going uphill.
Not sure what that building is. Looks like something water gets stored in. The water here is so salty you can't drink it. Speaking of water.
Going up the hill.
See how the trees hang down? That's so cool. Vines or something. They grow all over the trees. You have to be careful where you walk because I already told you about the ginormous spiders.
Now, when we get up here, you need to look off to the right. Hold on. I'll stop so you can show everybody.
We're gonna stop in a second so we can get a view of the water up here. See how the jungle just grows everywhere? Look at the grass. It shouldn't be like that.
Yeah, I have to ride in the middle of the road because the grass is out on the road. Still going uphill.
Whoa.
Cool. On the edge, it was so cool.
Ready? Hold on. Alright.
It's like we're riding to Mountain Top of Town.
Something like that.
Remember
I
the
bet
last time we
you.
went to Mountain Top?
Maybe if you go a little further, we might.
Now you can't see.
Whitney Houston playing on the radio, we all know.
There you go. If you jump up onto the side and shoot it down over there, you can see what it looks like. Stand on the side of the step rail. We're gonna show you what it looks like from up here, Chris. Delaney. Step up on the side rail. You see it?
I hope you can see the view. Let me see if I can get closer. I don't know how to run the camera. There you
The
go.
zoom is on top.
There we go. It gives you a little bit of a feel. Get over there a little bit. Watch out, there's a little tree there. And there's more right there. Pretty cool. See the white that goes through the middle? The shallow end is towards us, and you go past that white part and it drops right down. We're in the deepest part of the ocean right there. Okay.
It's like we're pretending the camera is Chris.
Chris and Laney and everybody else.
Mommy, shut your door.
I don't want to slam it.
Not even to the top yet.
It's like I could touch the clouds. Right?
That would be cool, huh?
Yeah. Fog is the cloud, right, Daddy?
even gotten there yet. That's why it takes me so long. Still going uphill.
Play some island music.
Has your company done any other rides?
No island music today.
It's really weird today because it's a Sunday. I'm getting ready to go off the dirt road here in a second. Off the cement road, I mean.
It's gonna be bumpy. Another view right there.
Alright, we can sign off for everybody until we get closer. Tell everybody bye.
Bye. We'll be back.